Today I'm testing your supercar knowledge. I want to see if you can guess the car only by listening to the sound. So I have a couple of supercars. I'm going to take them out on the racetrack and you just listen to the sound and I want you to guess which car it is. After a couple of seconds, I give you 3 options and then I'm going to reveal which car it is, and I'm also going to explain why it sounds the way it does. I have some easier ones, but I also have some really tricky ones, and I can't wait to see if you can guess it or not. At the end, I want to know how many of the sounds you guessed right, so please drop it in the comments and let's go. Porsche 992 GT3 RS. It's a 4-liter naturally aspirated flat 6 engine and it revs up to 9,000 RPM. This is always crazy for me. You always feel like you have to shift. The sound of the car makes you shift and you still have to wait so long because if you shift too early you lose so much power. It's the Lotus Emira with a supercharged V6 engine from Toyota, and we also have an aftermarket exhaust on it which makes it even a bit louder and a bit crisper. Listen to that, that's so cool. I would never expect that from this car. Lamborghini Aventador, and this beautiful sound comes from a naturally aspirated V12 engine. Wow, it's screaming, it is so loud. I mean, we also have a race exhaust on the car, that's why it's even louder. It's the Ferrari 488 GTB with the 3.9 liter twin turbo V8 engine sitting right behind me. It's the Porsche 991 GT2 RS. The GT2 has a twin-turbo flat-6 engine. You can hear the sound is a little bit deeper than the naturally aspirated GT3 RS. GT500 with this real American muscle car sound, V8 power. This is exactly how I envision an American muscle car. That's exactly the sound. Listen to that. We do have an aftermarket exhaust on this car with an X pipe, so it's even louder. It's the Lamborghini Huracan, and right behind me sits this beautiful, naturally aspirated 5.2 liter V10 engine. AMG GTR with this unique AMG V8 sound. It's so deep. It's the Corvette C8 Z06. To me, it doesn't sound like a typical Corvette American muscle car because the Corvette uses a flat plane crank engine, which is more high pitched. It's more like a European supercar. The sound, it's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It sounds amazing, but it's not typical Corvette. We do have an aftermarket exhaust on that car, so that makes it a little bit louder and a little bit more aggressive than it would be with the regular stock exhaust. So that's it. Please let me know how many of the cars you guess right. Please drop the number in the comments. I'm really interested to see how many cars you could guess. And also please let me know which sounds you like the most. My personal favorite is the Aventador. I mean, the V12, it's so unique. It's screaming. It's like, it was just wow. It's such an incredible sound. But I also really enjoyed the Corvette C8 Z06. When I released the gas, all of these pop, pang, pang, pop, it's so much fun. I have a lot of more cars around me, so let me know if you are ready for part 2. And if you want to experience all of these sounds in real life and not just through a video, then Speed Vegas is the perfect place. We have so many different cars. They are all day non-stop on the racetrack. You can listen to them. You can just stop by, come here and listen to the sound, or you can drive them yourself, sit inside and really experience it for yourself. And you know, as I always say, you know where to find us.